Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm about to clean out some drawers that I have, some makeup, skincare. We're just in my bathroom. I'm just planning on cleaning out everything, taking things out of here because it hasn't been really organized for quite a while. So if you're interested in going through these drawers with me and seeing how I can clean these up, I did actually go to Target and I bought some things here to reorganize with because a lot of my organizers have actually broken. And just go ahead and keep on watching. Before I get started, if you're new, a big project planner, and I will be having my big project plan update for the whole year, the end on March 25th. So if you're interested, please come back for that. Go ahead and quickly show you what some of these drawers look like. This is my main drawer that I put things that I am rolling into my project pan. And as you can see, it just needs to get some more love, get some cleaning done here. This is the next drawer, so I have a lot of work to do here. And then the last drawer that I'm planning on working on is right here. And if I can, there we go, it's right here. And I just have a little bit of organizing to do. I'm going to take everything out of all these drawers, wipe it all down, and I'll be right back. Everyone, so I have all of these right here. I took everything out of my drawer that's actually here, and I washed everything out with a Lysol to the best that I could. And now I'm going to go ahead, clean all of these up, maybe throw some of these away, and then I'll come back, reorganize. I'll show you what everything looks like. I'm going to clean out these trays here. And I actually got some new trays that I told you about earlier. So if this drawer needs the new trays, then I'm going to go ahead and use them. But otherwise, I'm just going to wash all these up, reuse them. But I do have a lot of garbage here that I don't know why some of this is in this drawer. So things like this, I'm probably going to take these all out, put them in the little containers that I bought, and so it looks a lot nicer and easier to use. Alright everyone, so I just went ahead and redid all of this, cleaned all these. This is actually a new basket here, so I think it works really well, and the rest of it turned out really well as well. It's all organized. I took some things out that I no longer use or that were broken and just went ahead and threw them away. Or I did have a hairspray in here, but I put that in a whole different area that it should have been in here. It should have been with the rest of them. So I'm going to go ahead and start on the next drawer. So here's a closer look at my second drawer that I'm going to work on. So I'm, again, going to take everything out of here, reorganize some of this, and then I still have some cough drops from the last one I'll probably end up putting in here after I clean this. So, yep, I'm just going to go ahead and take everything out and get started. Hey everyone, so I'm just going to take you in close. I just finished this drawer here, and I'm pretty happy with how it looks now. And I'm going to be throwing a whole bunch of stuff away, and I'm really okay with that. It was just going to be a bunch of clutter, things that I just don't use anymore that just got forgotten. I will say I had this in here, in the drawer I should say, and I'm throwing it away. Look at how bad this is. I've had this for about a year, so I mean maybe even longer honestly. So I'm just going to go ahead and throw this away, but I did take in a couple new items here. So I took this in, this is brand new, and I guess that's the only one for this drawer, but the other drawer I took in a bigger one like this, and I think they're going to be really useful. Honestly, this is the drawer that is what is making me want to actually clean everything. There's so much in here that just got thrown everywhere. I guess it just turned into a junk drawer now. So I'm going to go ahead and, like I said, I bought some new containers. Although these look like they're in good shape, but I think I need a few more. So I'm going to go ahead, take everything out, wipe everything out, and I'll come right back. Alright everyone, so I am all done with this now, and I'm really happy about how it looks. I put some new containers in here, as you can see, and I think it turned out pretty well. It's less cluttered, and I'll have to show you guys everything that actually I'm throwing out or decluttering. It's insane. At least I'll show you the stuff I'm decluttering. There's a lot of papers and things that I just accumulated. I won't show you that stuff, but I'm really happy about how this has turned out. Everyone, so I actually went and cleaned up this area a little bit here, and I'm pretty happy with how it looks. This is everything that I use on a daily basis right here, and so it's everything that I use: my eyeshadows, my brow palette, Actually, I have a notebook in here for notes, and yeah, just a couple other palettes that I do use on a regular basis, along with some primers and, you know, things like that, my perfume. And I'll go ahead and show you. I had to clean this off because I ended up, you know, throwing some stuff on top of here that was in the drawer. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what I did with the drawers again. So here we go. It's all done. I'm completely done now. I'm happy for the most part with how it looks. At least I have everything organized to where I can find everything. It still has a lot in here, but this is all the makeup that I have that I will be rolling in soon. So that is good. I can just grab it, and I have a couple containers for when I want to, you know, just change some of my powder around and mix it all up, things like I like to do on my channel. So I'll go ahead and show you down here. It looks really, really nice, all organized, and I can find everything, and yeah, it's just so nice. Some of these are just in here because I just need some extra chapstick sometimes. They're not really anything I plan on bringing in right now. These, however, right here, if I can get it in shot, okay, this is actually all of my skincare that I will be bringing in when my other skincare is gone. So then the last drawer, I'll go ahead and show you. Look how organized this is. I can just grab some of these. It's not cluttered all over the place. I don't even have anything in here now. I'll probably find something eventually. It's completely, I can't show you. It's completely gone. As you can see, there's nothing in here. I'm sure over time I will be having stuff to go in there, but for now it's just nice to have this all organized and easy to use and just grab things that I need. So I don't have too much to show you that I'm decluttering out of my my vanity or my drawers, whatever you want to call it. So I'll just show you a couple things. I have this brush here that I wanted to like it. I don't though. It doesn't really, this would probably work better. Maybe I should keep it for my cats, honestly. I think I'll do that. It does not work for my kind of hair. Look at that. It looks like a pet brush, in my opinion. So instead of decluttering this, changing my mind, I'm going to use it for my cats because I have two cats who, this would probably come in handy for them, but it does not work for human hair, in my opinion, at least not mine. And I have one of these that is a pedicure, and I haven't used it. It's broken, so I'm going to get rid of this. And I have this little thing here, which the only reason I don't use it is I have something that's a lot better, and I use that every day. So I also have a few of these. I took one out, just no rhyme or reason. I just don't want to keep them. This came in some brow kits that I no longer have. I ended up decluttering those out a long time ago. And then this here is a little pedicure brush that came with a pedicure set that I have, and I don't use it. It's been sitting in my drawer for a very long time. So that's it, everyone. I'll probably have a few pictures to show you the before and afters. So I'll go ahead and put those on the screen for you. But thank you so much for watching. And I feel so much nicer about how these drawers are looking. I can actually find stuff now, and I don't try to get that messy, but over time it just happens. I just start throwing things in there, even with the containers, and I do have to change that habit if I can. I don't know if I can do it, but at least once a year I can spring clean everything out, start fresh, and that's kind of what my point was for this video today, just to show you guys my spring cleaning with makeup drawers. Well, I keep a whole bunch of other stuff in there, as you can see, but just drawers that I use on a regular basis. So if you enjoy this kind of content, I hope you will subscribe and watch for, again, my Project Pan final update, everything that I have in my container down here. I will be showing you guys, and I probably won't show you what I've been working on. I'll just kind of move that to another video because I think it's more exciting to show you everything that I have used up and also have in a box that I've been keeping throughout the year. So yeah, just come back for that, and thank you guys so much again for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.